reason for the tacos is I have here called yellow cake. Mad Dog 357's powder here. That's what it is. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get going. Okay guys, so I'm inside now, got out of the wind. I'm going to eat these tacos. I got one with cheese and one without. And we're going to see how they taste. No sauce either, just the meat. That's good. Spicy. Wow, that's just spicy. That is really good. I mean, wow. Let's try it with the cheese now. The cheese makes a huge difference. Wow. Oh, wow. You definitely get that spice out of that cheese. Oh my goodness. Excellent, excellent. Both really good. Okay, so I'm going to put some Cholula hot sauce on here. It's got really good flavor. There's not that much of a kick when it comes to this stuff. I'm going to put it on the one with cheese. That one turned out to be the best. The cheese really complements the spice. It doesn't take that much spice away, but it really complements it. So here we go. So good. Oh my goodness, guys. If you can make this, you've got to make it. I wish I could just like feed it to you through the camera. This is amazing. If you're a spicy fan, you have got to do this. This is some of the best food I've ever made, I've ever had. I love spicy things. So this for me, amazing. That hot sauce is not, it's not that hot. I know you can take hot stuff, so it might be hot for some of you guys. The sauce really complements the heat. It doesn't make it hotter. It just complements it. The cheese, I'm telling you, you have got to try this stuff. I wish I could feed it to you through the camera. This is amazing food. Absolutely amazing. Okay guys, I had to get back on. I'm done eating. I ate 3 tacos. My lips are on fire. My mouth is, I have been guzzling some tea, man, let me tell you. But that stuff, smoking hot. I put way too much powder on there. But it's good. Like I said, I like hot stuff, but I'm just, my lips are on fire. I want to lick them, but that'd be bad. Make it worse. My mouth not so much. Now it's just my lips are just hot. But it was good. Clay, he couldn't even finish one taco. He finished half of it. And he's been blowing his nose, his eyes watering. He couldn't even finish it. I finished 3. But like I said, my mouth isn't so hot anymore, but oh my goodness, my lips are on fire. I want to make these again, but not put so much powder on. And I need to do it on a less windy day because I'm cooking them outside. I could cook them inside next time, whatever. And the powder, I don't know, oh my goodness. Mouths are just, I can't even think. My lips are burning so bad. Oh, they were good. Super, super spicy. Out of the tacos I've had, 8 at least. Oh my goodness, so hot. I'm not sweating or nothing. While I was eating, my eyes were watering. Now it's just my lips. Oh my goodness, are just burning. I want to lick them, but I know that'd be so bad. Anyway, yeah. I got me some milk. I'll drink that here in a minute. Hopefully out my lips or something. But yeah, had to get on to tell you that. These were hot. So, you like hot stuff, this is down your alley. I can take hot stuff, but man, my stomach, it just kind of, I can feel it in there. It's hot. But yeah, Clay's laughing at me. But yeah, it's, oh man, very good. I enjoyed it, but, oh, very hot. So yeah, hope to see you guys next time on All Things Amped Up. This is Cody, keeping everything amped up, and we'll see you next time.